Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, and welcome to Zolytech Live Streaming. This is Mary.
This is Arya, your professional sales manager.
And now we are on the third floor of our company. This is our multi-needle quilting machine assembly workshop. And first, let's take a look.
Yes, show you around here firstly. Okay.
You're watching now is our single needle quilting machine assembly area.
Yes. But today we would like to introduce you our latest mode, DZ2 double beam, double head continuous quilting machine. It's on my right hand here. And one can see some patterns had quilted on the pillow. For this machine consists of two parts. Here is the quilting part, and the second part is here is the cutting part, and the second part is the quilting part. Let us see. The length of this machine is 12 meters, and width is 3.8 meters, and the height is 1.6 meters. The machine is with the double beam structure design, and they have two sewing heads equipped on the beam, so it can able to sewing two mattress pillow at the same time. Thus, the output, the working efficiency is higher than the traditional type. The traditional type only have one sewing head.
Yes. In common single two-head single needle quilting machines, the two heads are in one beam, but our newest model is two heads with two double beam, which means we can quilt different patterns at the same time. But the common single needle quilting machine, like two heads in one beam, they can only sew in mirror patterns. But this structure, the two heads and two beams, we can quilt various patterns. That means patterns, there is no limit for patterns. We can quilt different patterns that never found in your market.
Yes. For example, you can quilt your names on the pillows, also some Hello Kitty pattern, some quilted pattern on that. The size is not limited, but for the multi-needle, the biggest size, except the strict lines pattern, you only can quilt some 6-inch or 5-inch patterns. They have some limits on the pattern size. And see here. Let us focus on the sewing head. Let us move to the opposite. the soaring head is on there. And see here, the soaring head, we adopt the dual-cup soaring head. This brand is from Germany. It's the famous brand in the world. Its working speed, the max working speed can up to 3,000 rounds per minute, and it performs very stable and droppable compared to the traditional type. And see here, here is the function buttons here. When you press here, you can make the bobbin balls come out, and you can change the bobbins. This For these bobbins, we adopt the imported large bobbin, so it can support to quilt jump design, jump patterns around 4 to 5 pieces mattress pillow. But for the continuous pattern, you only can quilt 2 or 3 pieces mattress pillow. Compared to the small ones, this diameter is bigger. 没有小尺子。The diameter is around 3.2 centimeters. 3.2 centimeters. The soaring times is longer. It's large than it's longer compared to the traditional one. The soaring time is large than 105%. When we press the green button again, the bobbin will come out, so it's a convenience for the worker to operate the machines. And can you see here, for these soaring heads, we equipped with the ball thread broken detectors. When the flag is broken, the soaring head will automatically stop. See, when the green light is on, that means the flag, the soaring head can work in good. See here.
And here we can also introduce you the single needle quilting machine's thread.
The thread. Yes. For the single needle quilting machine, if you need some, because for this, the head is special for the single needle quilting machine, so we also can supply the customer the material like the thread and the no-woven fabric. If you need, please contact us. We can provide a one-stop service for you.
Yes, and let's focus more on the single needle quilting machine. That's the cutting parts. Under the cutting box, the lower part of this cutting box is our electronic plugs.
Ah, yes.
And we adopted Innovance low voltage servo system. The Innovance, this company has 19 co-founders, and among them, 16 of them are worked in Huawei. So they have the same gene of Huawei. Innovance, this company was also listed in Fortune 15 in 2021, published by Boston Consulting Group and Fortune magazine. So it is number one China. It is number one China servo system supplier. And Innovance low voltage servo system, it is even better than the Panasonic. So it's very stable. But we also can accept customized servo system also.
Yes, because like other servo motor is common for all the machine, but our motor, our servo motor is designed just special for our single needle quilting machine. And see they are equipped with for this machine we equipped with a servo motors, so that the machine can perform well and quilt more precise patterns on the pillows. Let us see what pattern we can make with this machine. Yeah, for this system, we adopt the Windows system. It's common in the world, so I think most of the people can use familiar with this. And see here, we can change the language. They have 9 languages saved in the computer. They have 9 language versions. The first one, now we are in the Chinese version. And the second is the English version. Okay, now we change to the English language. I'll show it where is the sewing hat. And here record the outputs. How many pillow? How many meters of the pillow head? Record the outputs. And click here You can choose different pattern. They have over 100,000 pattern can save in the computer, but we have made some popular. We have made some comments and popular patterns in the computer. Let us see. Yeah, can support the drum patterns as well as the continuous pattern. Big flower quilt works on the pillows. So okay, we can support the customer-made designs. Just tell us what pattern you like and what size you need, what size of your mattress.
Yes, or you can take a picture of your light pattern and then send the picture to our engineer.
The tiger.
And we will design the patterns for you in a very short time.
Yes.
And these two double head, double beam, single needle quilting machines operation is also very easy. The operation is almost the same with the common single needle quilting machine. So if our engineer has the experience in operate common single needle quilting machine, so there is no more need more extra learning cost. He can also operate this double head, double beam single needle quilting machine well.
Yes, and click here, you can control the working speed. Now, we set the max working speed is 2,500 rounds per minute. Also, our machine can supports the pattern compensation function. When you click here, you can move the mouse to control the head to repair the broken parts. Notations. And by click here, you can draw the pattern by yourself. New designs.
That is to create a new design by yourself. Save the new design.
Save the new design. You can name it and save it.
the basic operating procedure. And ladies and gentlemen, this is Zolytech Live Streaming. And if you like us, please give us a like. And you can search Zolytech, Zolytech, on website or on Google. You can find us. And also on YouTube, you can also visit. You can also visit our YouTube. And this we have many videos about machine instructions, maintenance instructions. You can Google it or you can search on our YouTube. And we'd like to present to you more videos, including teaching videos, so that we can share more information on website with all our friends.
Yes. Let us focus on the next part is the cutting part. The cutting machine also controlled by the touch screen. Oh. Okay. The skins, maybe the skin is the position is lower than the camera, so.
It's okay.
Okay, we can change the language, also change it to the English versions. You can see here, we can control. Oh, you can. There have two versions: automatic version, or you can cut the mattress pillow by the manuals. Just when the fabric move forward, when it reach to 2 meters, click the menu, click the menus and press here. Here have the coast cards once. Then you can control the coast cards workings.
Yeah, it is also used for testing.
Yes.
Testing, or when you change your another pattern of or another knitted fabric. The first 1 or 2 pieces you need to test, and you have to change it to manual mode.
Yes, before. Yes, the chassis is necessary for the cutting machine also.
And here, this is our cutting box. On this part, there are two blades, two side cutting blades on each side. For one cutting. Yes.
And for here, we equipped with the safety device.
Yes.
When our hands get close on here, the protect device will be working to make the coast cut stop there to protect the operator's safety.
Yes, and when operators need to check the inside parts, when you open the cover, we open it, it will stop working immediately also. Yeah, this safety protection is also very important because safety goes first. We also need to keep our operators safe. Okay.
Compare with the traditional type single needle quilting machine, this mold only takes 1.2 times space.
Yes.
And if you take out this mold, you can save one labor focus, because if you take two machines, you have to hire 2 workers to operate it. But for this machine, you only hire 1 people. You can handle it, you operate it. But while the output is doubled, because you can quilt 2 mattress pillow at the same time.
Yes, we developed this kind of machine, double beam because we received some customer feedbacks that the common single needle machines is good, and the patterns also can be is beautiful. But its efficiency is comparatively is low. So we developed this kind of machine to double its capacity, double its output.
Yes.
And here now we would like to, because during March 28th to 21st, it's also the exhibition of InterZoom Guangzhou. So now we would like to invite all our customers, old friends and new friends to visit our booth in Pazhou, Guangzhou.
Yes, expecting to see you there.
Yes, and after that we will participate in the InterZoom Cologne in Germany. Yes. So we would like to meet you at InterZoom Pazhou, InterZoom Guangzhou, and also InterZoom Cologne, so that we can discuss more with our business. And as you can see now, in my hand, there is a catalog of Lianro pocket spring machine.
Yes, this company is world famous manufacturers of pocket spring machines.
Yes.
And and here is the production line produced by them.
Yes. This is one of the high speed pocket spring coning machine and assembly machine. Its speed can reach to 180 per minute. So 3 machines, 3 coning, 3 sets of spring coning machine will match 1 assembly machine. That's enough. And we also hope to see you at InterZoom Guangzhou Lianro's booth. Yes. At Lianro's booth we will meet you also.
Yes.
And that's it. Another project is it's our turnkey project.
Turnkey projects.
Yes. In this turnkey project include many systems and stations in this production line, this automation production line. This is a very big project, and there are two conditions for this turnkey project. Condition one is that this project is for new factories, new workshop. Yes, and recently we have two inquiries about consulting new factory project. This condition one. In this condition, we will have to first we need to get more necessary basic information of your workshop, of your factory, and all the. And first we will have to, we need our friends and customers to fill out this necessary information form, including
what is your factory monthly productions and the types of the mattress springs and
what pocket spring machine or bone nail pocket spring.
And common what is how many layers of your mattress, such as if you are your main product is the double layers or the three layer
yes,
layers.
Because this will decide the tape edge station, how many tape edge machines will you need, whether it's manual tape edge machine or automatic tape edge machine. Because tape edge machine, this station will decide, this part will decide how many pieces of mattresses will you produce per day. So this is a very important part in the whole production line.
Yes, also informing us the factory layout also important because our production line size is based on your factory scale. The layout.
Yes.
The layout. So this form is necessary for us.
The layout of your workshop, when we get your layout of your workshop or a sketch of your workshop, or we will deliver to our engineers to design the blueprint of your new factory. Then we will discuss again over and over again till we discussed all the things down.
Oh, yes. Because this process may be a very
And this is one condition. The other condition is that we want to upgrade your present machines into automation level or production line. That is, it means want to upgrade its automation level. If we have already have some machines in your factory or your workshop, like 2 or 3 tape edge machines, then we can upgrade those stations into automation production line.
Yes.
And we can replace manual compounding system into automation compounding system. And if we already have packing machines, we also can connect packing machines and tape etch stations into a production line. So that is another condition. That means if you want to upgrade your automation level, we can also discuss and present you this project.
Yes, because for our production lines, our conveyor, we add some components on the conveyor into the production line. It's just the connectors functions. If we can use your existing machines, that will save some costs, machine costs for you.
Yes. So no need to buy old machines or new machines. If you already have some, then we can also upgrade your automation level. Because nowadays the automation level has a very impacting, complex image. So. And in our automation production line, we adopted the highest automation matrix robotic arm. And
it's our latest technology, right?
Yes, and now you can also visit or browse it on our Facebook or YouTube.
Yes.
There are many informations you can browse.
There have many products, machines, instruction videos, and the machine maintenance videos for you to browse. If you are interested with our products, with our production line, feel free to leave your comments on our streaming. We will contact you after we finish the live streaming show.
Yes. Any question or interest, you can communicate with us freely. Okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, so let's end our today's live streaming, and we hope we can see you next Thursday at the same time. So.
It's Thursday.
Yes. So bye bye.
Bye bye.